What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. New artist alert. Well, new to me. This is my first time checking out JC-T Reflex. It's the performance video. A friend of mine told me about this artist. They said good things about it. I'm here to check it out. If you want to check out the performance video, check the link in the description down below. If you know about JC-T, let me know. Educate me on this. All right, in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Pow. Oh, he's just staring back at me. Oh, he got the high waist. Dang, he got nice skin. Oh, is that a tattoo on his? Whoa! What? Huh? What was that? Oh, his shirt's kind of crazy. Is that where his heart's supposed to be? Oh, man in the mirror. Oh, it's a different. Are they just? Oh, it looks like he's entering a battlefield. Oh, he changed. Okay, the production on this is really high already. What the hell? Before I continue, what the hell? That was an intro to a performance video? Are you, bruh? Come on. All right, you're impressing me so far. Ooh. Wait, there was a shadow grabbing his heart, I'm guessing, in that shirt. What is that, like a blood stain? Oh, fire! Oh, shout out to the dancers. I see they're already killing it. Ooh, okay, the body roll. Oh, kick the sand, Ooh, okay, shout out to Michael Jackson. Ooh, light change. Ooh, the dance moves on this. Okay, JC-T. This is such a performance video too. Like for the song itself feels like a performance. Ooh. Are they all girls too? Hold up. They were eating that body roll. They was eating that body roll for real. Hold up. Okay. Ooh, oh, okay. He knows what I like. I like the body rolls. Yo, hey, yo. I like the change up in the song too. This is very vibey at this part, and it goes back to like almost like a club, like. Damn, the lights are going. Okay, we get in the party. Let's get it. Let's go, JC-T. Come on. Ooh. Oh, he really actually killed Like him, like this part right here, with all like the dance choreo, dancers in the choreography. All in sync like that, whether they're just vibing out, fire. The way he just stands out too. Oh, nice change up. Hold on. I like that outfit too. Actually, all the outfits are fire. I think this is my favorite outfit so far. It's a dead reflex. Hey, that look up at the end, boy, better stop. Okay, wait. Okay, so that's all one person. What the hell? How they? Wait. They got me looking up and down for this credits. Nah, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Dead Reflex by JC-T. Okay. That's what you call a performance video. It shows the choreography. Just like, I love the bird's eye view of it as well. Not only just highlighting like the dancers, but of course the main star right here. And he shines. Good on the editing too. Oh, it looks like an arena too. Almost like that. I don't know if it's a sand like triangle he's in. Almost like a coliseum. They are eating this one. And he was eating that too. Okay, I can't handle that. All right, that's a lot. That was a lot. First, like, impression. That boy can perform. That boy can perform. That boy can dance. He look good. Love the aura that he exudes. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of JC-T. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night. Again, let me know what your thoughts. This is my first time checking out JC-T. I want to know what your thoughts on JC-T as well. Dead Reflex performance video. And if you want me to check out more, keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work through it, it might just come true. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.